this? Wow! It's a bee! Bee! Oh, he bite me. Ah, shit! Wow! Because, cream, look at this cream. Wow, he bite me, see? My gosh. See? He bite me, my gosh. Wow. So, see? Oh my gosh. See? It's under my feet. See? You're dead. So, you're dead. My gosh. My gosh. This is the the first time I slaughtered the chicken and then the bee is biting me on my hand. My gosh. But you cannot